Yeah, them for no set the clock God in I represent for who? I Chris explore. Sometimes we explore all them girl next door. But you know we explore the globe. You know the clock work never stop work, my brother man. Yo, you know East man, I represent for Chris Explore, you dig quick and swift, you know man.
Just arrived at Interlaken West now. Gonna catch another train to the top of Europe. Gonna go up there, explore there, come back down this town, and also there's another one a bit further down. Yeah, guys, so it's mad packed. Everyone's going the same place. Guys, you could actually see people parasailing. I seen it on the train when we were coming.
Before we get into this video, guys, please like, subscribe, and click that bell notification to stay up to date with my latest videos. Let's go.
Yeah, so we literally got off at the terminal now, just gonna catch the cable cars, which is about £230 as of now. Literally everywhere you look is just nature, man. I know I'm stopping every minute, yeah, but I just gotta let you guys know the views. The views we have here is impeccable, man. It's impeccable. Imagine living somewhere like this. This like a fairy tale type village, man. You know that you read books and you see movies, this is it. I don't think nothing could beat this, really. Alright guys, going in now, man. Guys, so it's a 45-minute tram ride. Alright guys, here we go, man. Ooh. So guys, this is the Eiger Express, man. No, you got this mountain over there, southern over there, but I think we're going up all the way to the top there when you get to the Eiger. Eiger's even at the top. This is insane, guys.
We'll reach the Eiger Glacier station in 15 minutes.
45 minutes of this as well, you can't complain. I've got a lot of places that are gonna top this. There might be better cities, but this for nature, unbeatable, man. Sets the standard. And imagine living here like these people as well. But then it would just be boring. Guys, man, I'm just taken back by how amazing this is, man. If you were considering going to Switzerland but you thought it was too expensive, you're probably right, but you need to come anyway. Just think about, imagine missing out on all of this. Like I said, there's not many places in the world that could beat this. In my opinion, nothing yet has beaten this, so. Almost to the first stop-off point, guys. You can see it's getting very shady now because we're just behind the mountain. But when we get to this point, I don't know if you get off for a minute or it just cuts through, I don't know. But it's a lot higher than it looks, believe me. Every time you go through one of those things, it's uncomfortable as well. Has a little shake. Now, if you had to walk this, it would be insane. You know. So at the first stop-off point now, it's gonna head to switch over to the other cable car now. This is where we're going, top of Europe. So yeah, it's not long, 15 minutes and then, oh, look at that view, man. Wait till you see this view. Look at this, guys. That's insane. So from here, you still got to catch a train up to the top, but this view is insane, man. Let me walk down to the end and see what they got. Everybody's just taking photos up. Oh, I think you could walk up to this point because it looks like there's a walking path this way. Best believe I'm gonna get some photos of my camera as well. Man, Switzerland is actually different. Oh, you can actually walk up a little bit higher. I mean, let me see the view on the end anyway. That's what I really wanted to see. yeah, well, it's photo time, guys, so I'll get back to you. Finally going down now, guys. Top of Europe now, guys. I see why they say you need a jacket here. It's freezing, man.
Welcome to the top. Follow the Mustang Story Tour. It's a self-guided tour to go outside.
Alright guys, so we're starting the walkthrough. Apparently it's 1 hour 30 minutes. Got a big queue ahead of us right now. Literal water dripping down. This is it. This is it, guys. Top of Europe, and then you can walk up to the top over there. Gonna head outside, show you guys what it looks like. You know, when we got to the top of the elevator, altitude hit me even more. I can literally see it on the, because my heart rate's higher, isn't it? Huh? My heart rate's mad high. This is it, guys. This is what I've been waiting for.
So this is the top of Europe, guys, also known as Jungfrau. Up here it's extremely cold. Well, it's not that cold, but it is a bit chilly. So from here you can kind of see down into the glacier. The other side you can see down into the mountains. Everyone kind of just stops here to take pictures. But it's very beautiful. I definitely recommend coming up here.
This is it, guys. And now, guys, outside on the snow. Let's go, man. This is the ice cave, guys. Very easy to slip here.
Okay.
Wow. It's insane, guys, man. You can feel it. It's crazy. I've never been in nothing like this before, man. Yeah. Yeah, no, this place is so cool, man. This is Grindelwald, guys. This city is actually beautiful, man.
So this is the end of my first full day in Switzerland. So what you've seen is Jungfrau. Right now I'm just walking through Grindelwald. I'm about to get some food and just call it a day, really. There's a lot of travelling because where I was staying on the other side of Switzerland, this was about 3-4 hour journey, not including the time it's taken to go up to Jungfrau and things along the line of that. But definitely recommend it. It's beautiful. Hope everybody visits. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the places I visited. Is there anywhere I missed? Anywhere you would have went? If you like this video, like, subscribe, share with anybody who likes this content.